Hi friends, welcome to our channel, the Anant Vigyan Rahasya. Friends, each and every one of us think at least once in our life a question, and that is, is God? From where this God actually has come from? Who created the universe? Who is going to end it? Is life existing on Earth only, or is it available on other planets? So, to find out the answers to these questions, according to Hinduism, we will be passing through the passage of time since the beginning, since the creation of the universe to its ends. So, let's begin our journey through this channel, the Anant Vigyan Rahasya. Friends, before moving any further, first of all, I would like to clear the meaning of the channel's name, that is Anant Vigyan Rahasya. Anant means never ending, and Vigyan means science, and Rahasya means mysteries. So, never ending science's mystery is the actual meaning of our channel, because spirituality and science aren't different, they are the two faces of the same coin, and without each other, they cannot exist. Friends, also I would like to tell you that the content in this channel are actually taken from Vishnu Puran, Shiv Puran and Ashtavakra Gita. After going through all these Purans, all these contents, we analyzed them and came to a conclusion and created this philosophy, and we are projecting it in front of you. Some of you may agree with us, some of you may not. But what's wrong in gathering more knowledge from some source, isn't it? So let us begin with a positive approach. So let's begin it, friend. As per Shiv Puran and Vishnu Puran, before the creation of anything in the universe, it was a complete blank and darkness. Just like this page, it was a complete blank, no light, nothing, only darkness. But somewhere in that darkness, a very flame like kind of energy was present. This flame appears to be same as if in a lamp or in the candle. This flame of energy was named as Sadashiv. Sadashiv has no gender. It is genderless. It is not male nor female. It has no gender distinction. This Sadashiva was all alone in the universe, and to fill up this emptiness, it divided some of its piece of energy, or I would say a small packet of energy, out of it. Once, before moving any further, the Sadashiv, in terms of scientific notations, is around infinite raised to power infinite joules of energy, that is unmeasurable and tremendous amount of energy. When this small portion came out of the Sadashiv, it attained a separate consciousness, is irrespective of the consciousness of this energy, that is Sadashiv. Yes, friends, Sadashiv, the energy, also has consciousness. We all human beings are also made from this Sadashiv. Our bodies, the atoms, the planets, everything is made from Sadashiv, and Sadashiv is present in each and every one of us. So, if you think that non living things are non living, then friends, it's wrong as per Hinduism. All things around us, whether living or non living, are all living only, means they have their own consciousness, but they are restricted, they are bound to their duties. The duty of the planet Earth is just to provide shelter to human beings and to act like a non-living object, and that is the reason why you don't find the earth speaking to us. The same way, all the things around us, even the walls or even this pen, everything around us has consciousness. Each and every single atom has consciousness. When this energy of obtained from Sadashiv got separated, it divided further into Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu was the one who was created the very first. Among the three, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Lord Vishnu is said to have tremendous amount of energy, and that is why he is said to be Purnamidam Purnamaya Purnamachyade Purnamagaya Purnameya Om Tat Sat Brahmana Paramastu. It's a Sanskrit phrase which means if infinity is also taken out of Lord Vishnu, he still remains infinite. It means that Lord Vishnu can use any amount of energy from this Sadashiv to form n number of universes or anything which he wants. When he was sufficiently filled up with energy, infinite energy, and had the authority to use that energy, he then from his navel created a stalk, a small piece of stalk, a very that became a very long piece further, and this stalk actually came out from his navel. Yes, friends, navel. As per the yogic science, the yoga, the soul of any person is actually present inside the navel. The navel is the basic source of energy, the basic source of consciousness also, which provides you strength also, is nothing but your navel. So you can say that navel is actually your powerhouse. So from this navel of Lord Vishnu, that is from the power of Lord Vishnu, a very beautiful lotus, very big beautiful lotus bloomed out, on which Lord Brahma was also created. So, Lord Brahma is actually a creation of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu created Lord Brahma to help him in the works for the future. And another remaining portion of this energy got converted into the Shiv. Shiv is actually a representative of this Sadashiv. So he actually guides both of these, that is Brahma and Vishnu, and also balances the power between them. So Shiv is actually the representative of the Sadashiv. So Sadashiv then further assigned the job to Lord Brahma to create the universe, and for this he needed more and more of energy. So he took another fraction of energy from the Sadashiv himself, as he is infinite raised to power infinite joules. So this energy which he obtained from the Sadashiv also had consciousness, so he ordered this energy to further divide itself into infinite number of pieces. These infinite number of pieces were further asked to compress themselves, which further became photons, and then these photons further compressed and became electrons, and then they became protons. These protons, electrons combine together to form atoms, which is said to be Parmanu in Sanskrit. And then these Parmanus or atoms combine together to form molecules. The molecules further gave you the states of matter, and from these states of matter, the planets, the sun, the moon, the earth, and the whole galaxy and the whole universe was created. Thus, the creation of the galaxies, the planets took place. But these planets, galaxies, were not that beautiful, were not that amazing as these are today. There were many things which are missing in them. But these all queries will be solved in our other segment of Anand Vigyan Rahasya, that is in the coming videos of it. Now friends, a question comes to the mind that as per science, mass can neither be created nor destroyed. So how can mass be created from energy? So to clarify this, we have the theory of fusion. Yes, friends, fusion which takes place on all the stars and even on our parents' sun. So, what actually fusion is? In fusion, two deuterium two deuterium atoms combine together to form the helium atom. Now, As per the theory of mass defect, the mass of the helium obtained is not equal to the sum of the masses of the individual components, that is, the deuterium atoms. For example, suppose if the mass of one deuterium atom is 2.0022 units, then when two deuteriums combine, they must be forming a helium of 4.0044 units mass. But it actually is not 4.0044, it comes out around 4.0004 units. So what about the remaining 0.0040 unit of mass? This mass actually is said to be the mass defect, and this mass defect is actually converted into the fusion energy, the energy because of which our sun lights, the energy which we are now thinking of using in our electricity production. This energy is actually the mass defect into 931 mega electron volts as per the theory. So, if we can say that from the mass the energy can be created, so why can't from the energy the mass be created? Yes, the same process occurs but in a reverse manner. From where? In which this energy is actually converted into the mass, and thus the universe is created, thus the planets and atoms were created, thus states of matters were created by these three: Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, that is Shiva. And that is the reason why Lord Shri Krishna always said that he is present in each and every single smallest of the smallest piece of anything. This is why, because we all are made from this Sada Shiv only, and our ultimate aim is to attain this form only, that is known as the Purnata, that is the completeness, were also produced. In the coming video of Anant Vigyan Rahasya, we will understand that what is time and how time was created. What were the things which actually led to formation of this beautiful earth which we call as the Mother Earth, and how human beings and other organisms came into existence on this planet. So all these queries will be fulfilled in the coming video of us on this channel only, that is Anant Vigyan Rahasya. So stay tuned with us, subscribe our channel to know more about spiritual world through scientific ways. So like this video, share some comments with us if you have some of your own philosophies, or if you have some more knowledge to share with us. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.